Hello! Welcome to another simple unboxing first impressions video. Today I'm going to unbox the brand new iPad Air and the Magic Keyboard. I'm really curious about this device because I want to see how the Touch ID on the button works. That's something I wished we had on iPhone 12. Now, for this kind of a video, we don't need those crazy intros with detailed shots and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna dive in and then we're gonna look at the color, see how it feels in hand, how the keyboard works, if it is comfortable, and that's pretty much it. What's that? I said that the last time and then something else happened. Look, I see that was the last time was a joke. I can't keep on doing that all the time, okay? It doesn't make sense. First of all, it's time consuming and I can't. In fact, look, I'm going to unbox this right now. So you know there's not gonna be a crazy montage.
Good day, sir. The 4th generation iPad Air is very similar to 2nd generation 11-inch iPad Pro. They have the same height and width, however iPad Air is 0.2 millimeters thicker, yet it is 13 grams lighter. It has the same 28.6 watt-hour battery and the same 10-hour battery life. However, iPad Air's screen is 10.9 inch compared to 11, and the resolution is 28 by 28 pixels lower. Also, iPad Air's screen can go up to 500 nits, iPad Pro's screen can go up to 600. It has the Apple A14 Bionic chip in it, it supports 2nd generation Apple Pencil and the Magic Keyboard. Even though it looks like it has 4 speakers, it has only 2. When you hold the iPad Air in the upright position, the grills on the left top and the bottom has speakers in them. Also, it has only 2 microphones compared to iPad Pro's 5. iPad Air also doesn't have the true depth camera system, LiDAR sensor, and the second camera at the back. But with everything else, it is head-to-head with iPad Pro, and it starts from $699.
Okay, sorry about that. Let's get to the... Wait a minute. Who touched this? Did you guys looked into the box while I was away? Did you guys use the X-ray vision and look again? As soon as we open the box, we're greeted with the iPad. The color is pretty nice. I like the color. Let's turn this on. And then we get some papers, of course. And the stickers are hiding in there. This is the new fashion. It's a challenge to get them out without wrinkling them. All right. 2 stickers still. And on top of that, we get the 20-watt charger and USB-C to USB-C cable. The bezels are a little thicker compared to the iPad Pro series. That's probably why the screen resolution is a little bit lower compared to the regular 11-inch iPad Pro. Now let's test out this fingerprint thingy. The fingerprint scanner feels a little sticky. It's a little different. So, this is complete. And we're unlocked.
And when you rest your finger on it, it goes to the main screen.
The camera bump is not affecting the iPad when it's on a flat surface. There isn't much dingle dangle. Of course, there's some, but it's not too much. And interestingly, if you want it, you can bend it. That's how strong we are. I felt like the fingerprint scanner is kind of far away. This felt a little unnatural. Well, when I got used to just unlocking with my face a lot. If you just touch it and let it go, it's unlocked, but it doesn't go to the main page. You have to slide up or rest your finger up there for it to go to the main page. And there we go. We're just easily synchronized with the pencil. And let's check out the keyboard. No. I'm just gonna open this up. Touch ID. Aha! Now we gotta scan that finger. The big guy, the return key, shift key is of course smaller, option key and command key seems to be smaller. The language key, also shift, caps lock, tab, and then tilde. I believe, just to be able to keep the rest at a normal size, they sacrifice these keys. I get it. By the way, this accessory is the best thing. It takes the iPad experience to a whole new level. If you're thinking about getting an iPad, we also have a charging port here. It doesn't charge as fast as the regular port, of course. This is only for charging, by the way, but it is really useful. And the thing about this case is that this case is sort of meant to be on the desk. And as soon as I started using it like that, it made a huge difference. This doesn't fold back as much as the big guy does. Can you see? This bends a little more. But of course, we have to do one thing before we wrap this video up, and that is to run a Geekbench test. All right, the results are really good. It is as fast as iPhone 12 Pro when we look at the Geekbench score. And when you compare that to 12.9-inch iPad Pro, in the single core score, iPad Air is ahead, and in the multi-core score, iPad Pro is ahead. I feel like Apple is really closing the gap between their Pro and regular line products, because this is not that far behind from the Pro product. I also discovered something. If you want to turn this iPad off, when you hold down the Siri button, the Siri launches, of course. If you do the volume up, down, and then hold down the Siri button, the Siri launches again. So what you need to do is hold down the volume down button and Siri button, and that's when you go into the slide to power off menu. In the end, I like the iPad Air. I think it's a great and very powerful iPad that is going to be in everybody's hands soon. If you're not a pro, I don't think you'll care for the missing features at all, except for the speakers. Those feel weird.